Making histograms on TI84 Plus using raw data, as in singly listed data, and data with frequencies also given. The first thing you want to do is step 1 is to enter data into your calculator. That would be under stat function, and edit, hit enter, and under any of your available lists you can start typing in the data. So you type in, hit enter every time. I do have data already entered in L2, which we will be using to make the histogram. Step 2, to make the histogram, you need to access the stat plot function, which would be under second y equals. Hit enter for either of the plots. Plot 1 I selected, and make sure on is highlighted. If not, hit enter. Come down to type to select the graph type and scroll right to the third image, which is a histogram. Enter and come down to where your data list is. Mine is under L2. If there was a different list name given here, you would access the correct list. For instance, if I wanted L2, I would hit second to get L2 if it wasn't there. Frequency is 1, so it is singly listed data, and hit graph. If you do not see any image, hit zoom and 9, or you could scroll down to option 9 for zoom stat, enter, and you should be able to see your histogram. Second way, when the frequency is given, so again we need to enter the data, back to stat, edit, and again I have data already entered. So with frequencies it's a little bit more efficient. You have less duplicate data to type in. So using the same data set, this time I have the data, and then on the next list I have the frequencies corresponding to it typed in already. So my data is in L3, frequencies in L4 to make the histogram. Second y equals again. Enter for plot 1, which is on. Histogram is already selected, and my data value, which goes on the x-axis x list, is in L3, so second 3. Enter. Frequency is given in L4, second 4, and hit graph again. 2 ways of making histograms for the same data set.